Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shushma Sarala, consultant homeopath and clinical nutritionist at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming to the conventional methods of treatment. As you can see that they give NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs for your pain management. What is the side effect of having NSAIDs? If you are taking NSAIDs on a longer run, then that can affect your kidney. And not only that, because you're taking a lot of NSAIDs, there is a problem that is occurring in your gastric area because it will cause gastric issues or can cause acute gastritis. So you have to take pantoprazole, rabdiprazole, or esomeprazole, or other tablets which are proton pump inhibitors to reduce the effect of NSAIDs on your gastric area. And not only that, neuromodulators or taking COCs, progestins, aromatase, or GnRH. What are all these hormonal pills? Is that the problem with this is that they have mood swings, and not only that, they do not cure anything. There is temporary relief. Same with the neuromodulators as well. And then coming to the hormonal therapy, COC, progestins, or taking GnRH or aromatase, what do they do is that they cause a lot of mood swings. They cause in between menstrual bleeding as well. And not only that, they are not a cure for endometriosis. It is just a temporary relief that they are giving through the hormonal replacements. And then coming to the laparoscopy or hysterectomy part, if the endometriosis is vast and then there is nothing that the conventional treatment can give or to do to cure the endometriosis, what they do is through laparoscopic surgeries they remove the cyst. But remember, removing the cyst or removing the adhesions or removing any part of endometrial tissue from somewhere isn't the main treatment. Remember that the major cause, either it can be retrograde menstruation or altered dysfunction of the immune system or anything else, any of the causes that we have mentioned in the pathological part are the reason for the endometrial tissue to be lodged somewhere else. So if you are removing what is lodged, it is okay. But what about the triggers of that endometriosis which have caused it? So remember, the conventional treatment doesn't aim at the cause or the trigger factor. It only aims at removing what has already been done. Same with the hysterectomy. For example, a nulliparous woman or a woman who has not been conceived has endometriosis. What if you are removing her uterus? That is hysterectomy. What if it is being done? That means she will never be able to conceive. And not only that, if you are removing uterus from a person who has not conceived, what are the side effects of it? Of course, she will not be able to conceive again. And also, not only that, an early hysterectomy can cause osteoporosis in women. Coming to the fertility treatments, ovulation induction or ART, this can cause a syndrome called as hyperovulation stimulation syndrome, where there is a chance of multiple pregnancies also, and also chances of ectopic pregnancies as well. Coming to the homeopathic part of treatment. So why should you choose homeopathy in the first place for your endometriosis? First thing, for any conventional treatment, it can be NSAIDs or anti-inflammatory drugs, you're taking hormonal pills, or you're taking anything for your stimulation of your ovaries, they all have a certain side effect attached to it. But in homeopathy, we do not have any sort of side effects. And also, not only that, it is holistic in nature. For example, you come to us with endometriosis. What is happening, or what is the proforma that we follow? We treat, or we first understand the trigger for your endometriosis. It can be your altered immune system, the retrograde menstruation, or anything else. So, first we will see the trigger. We will stop the trigger through a homeopathic medication, which is tailor made for you, or which is something which is only for you. It is individualistic for you. If you are going through some sort of stress, so we individualize each sort of stress and we give you medication for that. And not only that, it restores the hormonal imbalance. We do not give you any synthetic hormonal pills here. We rather give you medications which will help in balancing the hormonal problem. So, if you're taking an allopathic medication or if you're taking any sort of conventional treatment, they will give you hormonal pills. What happens? They are giving you POP pills because there is progesterone resistance happening in endometriosis. So, they are giving you POP pills, but here we alter or we give you medications which will help in balancing that hormonal imbalance, giving you that seamless effect. And not only that, it is deep level therapy which helps in altering the hormones, and not only that, it helps in maintaining a proper menstruation cycle. It improves the fertility rate as well as it prevents, cures, or relieves the symptoms that you're already suffering from. Now, coming to the consultation part of the Fidicus Homeopathy. If you're suffering from endometriosis and you would like to visit us, then remember that we have two kinds of options. One is the online consultation option, where you can contact us even if you're staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidicus. through audio or video call consultations. And if you're staying near the nearby branches of Fidicus Homeopathy, then you can come in person and contact us. Remember, you can contact us either through WhatsApp or through call through this number. If you're consulting us online, then remember, if you're having any sort of investigations which are related to the present symptom, that is endometriosis, you can share it with us and we will let you know if we need further investigation. Not only that, and don't you feel that you have to buy medication from somewhere else? Here at Fidicus, we offer you with top rated medicines which are delivered to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, then it will take about 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And apart from that, it can take up to 4 to 8 business days for the medicine to reach you. You can contact us here at Fidicus through this number. You can contact us either through WhatsApp or through call. If you're suffering from endometriosis, then why should you choose Fidicus, or why would you want to associate with Fidicus Homeopathy even though there are number of homeopathic doctors near you? The reason is that here at Fidicus, it is highest chances of success as well as health. We give you top rated best quality medications, and the patient care or the personal care that we give here at Fidicus is of top notch. And not only that, the transparency in treating the patient is also there, and also we have highest success rate. So next time if you want to choose homeopathy, try choosing Fidicus Homeopathy. Thanks.